Friends, today I'm going to show you how to download the video from Facebook. So just have in my watch page, so there are multiple videos available here. So imagine you want to download one of these videos. So how we are going to do it? So for this you don't require any software installation or anything. So what you have to do is that you have to just go to a page called fbdown.net. Okay, so the page is open. So imagine you want to download, for example, this video. So just copy the video URL, just paste it over here, click download, and you have an option whether you want to download it in the normal quality or you want to download it in the high definition quality. So I click the high definition quality. Just right click this and click the download option, and you can see that the video is getting downloaded. So let us wait a few seconds so that I can show you the downloaded file. It's almost halfway through. Okay, so the video is downloaded. So now I'm closing this browser and I'm going to my downloads page. So it's my downloads folder. So the video is downloaded over here. So I'm just clicking the video, and you can see the video is downloaded. So this is very easy, and this site is reliable as well. There are multiple sites available. You can choose any of them, but this is the easiest method, wherein you can download the videos from the YouTube for your for your purposes. So hope you like the video. So let us see in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.